I have a dual-fuel Kenwood CK305. The element appears to be broken as the rest of the oven and cooker works. I have a replacement element. The element needs to be unfixed from the ring at the back, but after doing this it seems the element is welded to a plate, so the element can't be pulled out the front of the oven. I can't see any screws. The fixings are partially hidden behind insulation at the back. Do you know how the element is fixed?
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. The element is usually held on by either screws or a 7mm nut. If you have the back panel off, then look at the wires for the oven element, and either side of the tags there you will see the screw or the nut. You may need to remove the insulator and a way to access them. Then once the two screws/nuts are removed, you need to go into the oven and look at the element. On the opposite side of the metal bracket will be a screw. Remove this and then you can remove the element from there. Try that and see how it goes and let me know.
Thank you, that's very helpful. I'll try that. Just to let you know, once I managed to get the right-sized self-tapping screws, I was able to replace the element as per your advice. Thank you, smile.
Nice one, glad to hear you got it sorted and thanks for letting me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.